everyone, this is SRMUH from Nepal, pursuing biomedical engineering here in the SRM University.
Hello everyone, my name is Amru Yahya. I am a Sudanese biomedical engineering student here in SRM University, Delhi NCR Sonipat.
This is me, Shobhan Acharya. So we twins brother are from one of the beautiful city in the world, Kathmandu Valley, which is the capital city of Nepal.
Hello everyone, this is Region Dahal. I am from Kathmandu, Nepal.
The reason why I chose this university is because undoubtedly it's ranked among the top private universities here in India.
I chose to come here because it's one of the few universities in India that provide biomedical engineering course. One of the best thing about the university is that I really feel everyone from the academics to the students' unions are extremely supportive and there for me.
The university provides a great platform for national and international students. So as being an international student, we found a great environment and comfortable environment to learn and build our self-confidence.
My experience as an international student has been very positive since the day I came here. I made some good memories that I'll always remember in the days to come.
The courses are led by the outstanding lecturers and the university is strategically located nearer to airport in the city center, that is capital city.
Not do they only focus on academics, but they also provide us with many other activities as well as events throughout the year.
The university has a very unique and multicultural environment that makes it tremendously diversified. So you'll find people from different part of a country, as well as there are many other international students from around the world.
I was a little bit worried and nervous when I first came here because I was from the different background. I was not fit in. At the same time, I was pleasantly surprised when I got joined very soon. I love the enthusiasm of academic staff, like the way they develop our critical thinking and inspire us.
I love the infrastructure. I mean, the amount of resources that I get from the university, it's a blessing.
It can be a little bit hard being so far from the family, but everyone coming from the different background, different cultures, carrying their own diversity has been so much cooperative. Now it feels like my own family.
My SRM experience has been very pleasing so far. It's a memory to cherish for a lifetime. It has been a home away from home for me and for many other students.
I am so grateful and happy to be the part of one of the leading college here in India.
I am very thankful for being part of this SRM family and this very healthy and amazing environment.